Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. It's been almost 2 months since I've been on YouTube. As some of you may know, I am officially a mom now to a handsome baby boy. It's been quite a journey. I am thankful to be on the other side, and I'm thoroughly enjoying and basking in motherhood. So do a 5-minute video to share an item that I recently purchased from Poshmark. It is an LV item. As many of you may know, I am an LV lover. I love all things LV. I scoured Poshmark until I found one that I felt was perfect for me. So here she is. It is a Speedy 40 in monogram. I personally will list this in very good condition. This handbag is from 1995. It's made in France. The zipper is good. The inside is excellent. No markings. I paid $475 for this item. No cracking. It has signs of wear, but my main concern was that there would be no cracking throughout the leather of the bag. Just in case I had to take it back to LV and get the pochette replaced, I would be able to do so. Backstory as to why I decided to purchase this handbag. Now that I'm a mom, when we travel, I wanted something that I can zip. I usually take my tote bags with me whenever we travel, but none of my tote bags have zippers, whether it's the LV Neverfull or I have a YSL tote bag that I usually take when I travel, and it does not have a zipper. So now that I'm a mom now, I wanted something that I can take that would be suitable for my son and myself and my spouse to store our items and not have to worry about things falling out, because now my focus is going to be on my child, and I just want to make sure everything would be secured and in its place. So that's why I wanted a Speedy 40. That's the first reason why I wanted a Speedy 40. The second reason why I wanted a Speedy 40 is because if you're on Instagram, if you follow LV, if you follow Pharrell, you see all these Speedies in beautiful colors that's coming out in the men's collection. Red, green, yellow, blue. Absolutely beautiful. And they're coming out in an array of sizes, whether it's the 25, whether it's a 40, whether it's a 50. And I feel personally, when these handbags drop, people are going to start searching for the bigger Speedies. Now, Speedy 40 is currently discontinued, so that's why I've been scouring the internet for this. I went on Fashion File. They have a few, but I didn't want to pay $800. I purchased this Speedy from Fashion File a few years back. This is Speedy 30. I truly believe when these Speedies come out, people are going to be looking for the original Speedy 40s in monogram, because the price tag on those colorful Speedies are going to be through the roof. And I think they're made of lambskin leather. I'm not 100% sure, but they're absolutely beautiful. I know that I won't be getting one, so, and you're not supposed to say what you won't be getting. Don't put that energy out there in the atmosphere, because you never know. But I'm content and I'm happy with this beautiful pre-loved Speedy 40 purchased from Poshmark. They have their authentication program that you can use. This was under the $500 threshold. I was comfortable with purchasing it, as I have this Speedy. I've been through a couple of Speedies in my life, so I'm confident enough in knowing that this is a real Speedy. I was also able to check the date code and just do my own research on the handbag before I purchased it. I will be honest, this was my second Speedy that I purchased from Poshmark. I purchased another one a week before this one. I wasn't happy with that one when it arrived. When it arrived, it had some markings inside that wasn't displayed in the listing. I reached out to Poshmark, and there was some other things that I wasn't too happy about that wasn't listed on the photos. So please, please, please take those things into consideration when you're looking at Poshmark. Sometimes people will only show the good side and not my new Speedy 40 that is now added into my collection with my Speedy 30. And again, all these things that I buy, I try to shop pre-love. If I can't find it on the pre-love market, if I have no choice, then I will go to the store. But for me, at this time, if I can get it at an amazing price, why not? So thank you for stopping by. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. The baby is not crying. I have support. Thank God for grandparents that allow me to do the things that I love. So bye. Thank you for stopping by.